Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on your Cadillac CTS. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Park your vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely off. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into its service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly, which could damage your windshield. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at the point where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You will typically find a small tab or button on the connector. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards, away from the arm, until it detaches. It's crucial to hold onto the wiper arm securely during this step. Never let the bare metal arm fall back onto the glass, as it could cause significant damage to your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook-shaped end of the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into position. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it is firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. This ensures your new wipers will perform effectively and safely. Once the new blade is installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Cadillac CTS. After both new blades are in place, turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their movement to ensure they clear the glass smoothly and quietly, without streaking or chattering. This final check confirms your new wipers are ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.